Happy Thursday, everyone. OMG. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa bahay. Hindi Thursday, ano ba yan? Happy Saturday, December 6. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa bahay kasi late na ako nagising. So I am now on my way to Makati to attend yung nag-drive ako para sa drive-thru. To attend the link up ng Ladies Let's Lead. Nag-drive-thru lang ako ng Starbucks kasi antukin ako sa kotse. As in, whenever I drive, kahit bagong gising pa ako, inaantok talaga ako. Lalo na ngayon, parang 2 oras lang yung tulog ko kasi galing ako sa shift. So, we have to drink coffee. So, I am here in Starbucks. Ang lagi kong in-order pag ganitong kailangan kong magising is yung barista drink nila. Kasi, grabe yun. So, may pila lang ngayon sa Starbucks. Late na ako, pero okay lang. $2 PM yung registration ng event. And then, sama pa ng boses ko, nakakainis. Let us spray yung ating betadine mouth spray. Throat spray, mouth spray, ang pangit. Yan, gumagaling naman na tayo. Konti na lang yung ubo at sipon. Okay, ang daming nagte-text sa akin, hindi ko pa sila nakakausap. Oh my gosh. Who is messaging me? My mother. I can pick you up later. Ay, hey ma. Nagdala ko car. Okay, next. Kailan natin tanggalin yung bamboo? Okay. And then, after nito, after nung event, hanggang 6 o'clock kasi itong event, di-dinner kami ng freelance friends ko. I'll introduce you to them later. Sa may Kapitolyo, sa Ramen Wave. Siyempre for the promote ng Ramen Wave. Grabe. Ramen Wave, baka naman. So yun, kakain kami sa Kapitolyo kasi yung mga friends ko, si Alice at si Rowena, hindi pa nila natatry yun. Taga Bulacan pa sila. And then after nun, mag-overnight kami sa may Cubao, sa Fernandina 88. Parang doon lang get together kasi we haven't seen each other for the longest time. Tapos, yun lang, I will tag you along with me. So let's go grab that coffee. Pang ano pa ako? Pang 3. Anyway, highway. Na gusto ko lang is share that I'm super excited for this event kasi ito yung first time ko na-attend nung link up event nila. Ang lagi kong ina-attendan for 3 years na is yung ladies who launch nila na event. Ito talagang for networking daw talaga. So, i-experience natin to kasi maganda yung event niyan. Yung ladies who launch na event, may mga speakers yan, so ang dami ko natututunan. Plus, ang gusto ko dun sa networking is nagko-convert yung mga nakikilala mo, meaning natuturn ko sila to paid customers. Yung isa doon si Miss Bianca na kunin ko siya ng VA, so it's very good na na event. Tapos yung mga speakers nila talagang quality talaga. Yun, ang daming grabe. Tapos women empowerment kasi nga puro babae lang talaga. As in very inspiring na moment. Ayan. Anyway, so yun lang. So if you guys are interested to join, meron din silang membership. You can join the membership to get discounts. I'll tag their Instagram at saka yung website nila in the description below. Wait, ito na, mag-order na ako ng Starbucks. Isip ko kung kain ako. Hindi ako kakain. Hi, good morning. Ay, good afternoon na pala.
Can I get for today?
Isa pong grande iced barista drink.
Grande Ice Barista Drink. May
Yes.
discount ID po bang gagamitin?
Wala po.
Wala naman.
Pero meron-
Orders ko lang po ha, yung Tea Happy Grande Ice, Americano White Mocha Brûlée, no water. Tama po?
Yes, tapos meron po akong cup.
Alright, may personal cup po silang gagawin.
Apo.
Ano pa po?
Yun lang po.
Bali, 195 na lang po after discount.
Okay, thank you.
Saan po nagkakalag stickers?
Sa card po, sa online.
Right.
Okay. Sa app. Thank you. Nakuha ko na actually yung planner ng Starbucks. Hindi naman kasi kami yung OA ng asawa ko na parang, ay, we have to get it. Hindi naman. We just, it's there. The stickers are available. So when we go to Starbucks, go. Last year, nakumpleto namin kasi mahilig kami ng asawa ko sa Starbucks. Super. Kilala na nga kami dito sa mga branch na to, dito sa Marikina. What do I have to do? Wallet. I super love this wallet. Nabili ko to dun sa Assumption Fair ng mother ko sa may SM Aura. I'll just link their Instagram siguro. I'll tag them below. Where is my Starbucks card? You know I got a soft spot for you. I see. No. Pero bahala na. Okay na, malaki. Shit. Masisira pa yung...
Stickers pa sa Starbucks.
Ang bilis, thank you. Yes, ma'am. May ano pa ba ako? May load pa ba? Vlog pa ng vlog.
Yes.
Ay, meron pa. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Hawa ko na. Wala akong planong masira to. Huwag ka masisira, TJI. Oh my gosh. Anyway, magdadrive na ako. Goodbye. Thank you. Hello.
Hi, Miss Mia.
Welcome. Hello.
This morning or night?
Of course! Of course! Oh, di ba?
networking event for leading ladies. Thank you so much, and pat yourself on the back because this is gonna be a good event.
Yes!
For coming.
So, di pala guys, ladies, so welcome again to the Link Up, the Season of Connection. This is our very, very last event. I missed one event. Actually, it's so nice to see familiar faces. May mga 4 times lahat ng events ng leading ladies. Ayan. Talo mo pa ako. But today, we're so happy to see everyone despite the traffic. Nandito pa rin kayo. But today we have 50 different incredible women and from different industries and different backgrounds. But we have one common desire and goal today, which is to grow, to learn, and to meet like-minded women. Right, Kat? Ladies, you have your bingo cards, right?
Yes.
Okay, but we're gonna do this leading ladies style. Alam niyo naman paano tayo maglaro ng bingo, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. Alam ko nasa
Pero ito may sticker.
ngayon, but this is the time for you to move around. So this is the mechanics, ha? You guys have to move around the room, and then you have to meet new people, which I'm sure din may gusto niyong gawin.
Yes.
And then, you look for
Lalapitan
someone
ko
who
yung
fits the
sa ano.
description of on your card. And then, you ask her to sign, or you ask that person to sign sa box.
Actually, we have the stickers
Yeah, we
na.
have the stickers.
Ah,
So,
okay.
put your flower sticker kung saan man
Ito.
it fits the category.
Yes. Okay. But you know how we play bingo, you either have to complete a straight row or a vertical, and horizontal, or diagonal. And if you complete a row early, keep going. Ang prize sa totoo lang is
The network, yeah. Correct.
Yes.
So, sa totoo lang, kahit kompleto hindi din lahat. I'm sure with everyone here, mauubos niyan at baka blackout.
Yes.
Hindi lang
Correct. Mga extra box kasi.
Okay, sorry, but we're only giving you 25 minutes.
Ang bilis.
Sabi ni Madam Mia, ang bilis.
Icebreaker ka lang naman to. So, bilis-bilisan mo muna.
Okay.
And then we still have more time
Yeah.
to really connect with the
Got it.
other ladies here.
So, kung wala ka lang makikinig ko ng
Oo nga. Tsaka kung hindi pinapulitan at walang price, walang mauupo ata.
Okay, siguro partner,
Ewan ko kung ano yan. Pero kukuha ka kasi parang for cash yata yun.
yours, yours. Miss Ia, to maybe talk about what's available for our business owners here.
May namit akong speaker kanina. Ay, ito ano si
Okay, ladies,
sa tapo.
for funding, one of the surprises for you is Miss Ia from She's It Yours, who can talk about what's available for your business for funding. Quick lang siguro, Miss Ia.
So, syempre, we sit down with you guys.
Uwi ka ba agad mamaya?
Yes, ito ako pupunta sa...
Uy, sayang.
Kasi bukas may naman siya.
Ay, ganun. Kailan tayo magkikita ulit?
Next year,
May
guys,
Christmas party ba kayo?
for education, masters, we still
Ito sa January sa bago.
Yeah, yeah.
and others.
Si Biel,
But
meron lang kami papasok ng kliyente ngayon na nag-aanap ng bookkeeper. Siya yung una namin
we
ipipresent.
just wanted to have you
Sabi ako talaga, sabi ko, eh, meron dyan adobo yung apelido. Yan ang unang ipipresent. Paano kakainin to?
Kakagaling.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being here.
Kasi napanood ko to sa culinary class ball.
All the time, happy tayo. Okay, so I think everybody's enjoying their IT Opening 2026. We're hardworking minds. So, yung IT ladies, hindi na kailangan siya dito dahil non-stop. So, enjoy and I'll see you later.
Yay! Yes!
Thank you, Mia, for listening.
Yeah. Do you remember when they were giving Michelin out? Serious, this was one of them.
Si Edina pala nag-ano na. Nag-dating app.
Totoo ba? Kamusta? Kamusta daw?
Ayun, meron siyang parang kaka-sign up lang niya a few days ago.
So meron na siyang ano?
Merong isang guy na parang sabi, oh, are you serious? Parang seryoso ka ba kasi ayokong maglaro lang.
Oo, parang ano talaga, long term.
Naghahanap talaga yung guy ng long term. So ayun, nagchichikahan na sila sa Viber. So kinikilig ang
Nasa
akin.
ano, taga Pinas.
Taga-Pinoy. Oo, Pinoy. Tapos parang photographer. Sabi ko, hindi na kailangan mo yan.
Blooming Edina ngayon.
Yes.
Hear from 6 women who are leaders in their fields and each bringing a unique perspective that can support your group next year. So, this is how it will work. Kung kulang kayo dyan, you stay seated. Our speakers, we have 6, will rotate from table to table.
Toothpaste pala.
So, each session is 20 minutes. Short insight plus a guided conversation.
Ay, hindi ko lang.
So, I will now call on our 6 speakers for today.
So, I'm Karen K. Constantino. You can call me Karen, you can call me Kay. No, I'm a tax lawyer. No, I'm a partner in SGB. So, I'm an accountant and a lawyer. So, my field of practice is really taxation. So, I help clients with their tax issues, including dealing with the BIR. So,
Hey, hi everybody! Hello, madam! Hello po!
Okay, AJ, go ahead. Hi, so my name is AJ Pangilinan. I'm a strategist and a strategy consultant and a creative director. So I work with a lot of building brands, working with brands, agencies, production, clients, etc. I guess in a way my work is really I help my clients get from point A to point B in terms of their brand and their business. And I'm also girl number 1. So a huge part of what I do is to build the strat, build the plans, etc. to help the clients execute. So in a way, I also recommend to my clients, so anyone here at the table after this, kindly give me your
Yes.
business card or whatever, so I can recommend you also to my clients.
Franchising maybe 5 years after we opened our first branch because I needed the systems. That time we needed to hire front corp to help us with the manual, but now you can do it on your own.
Okay.
Ano ba yung sinasabi natin? System, simple as answering queries. Ikaw pa rin ba? Palagi. You should have a system for it, di ba? There are apps available like ManyChat, mga ganyan.
Ah, yes. So,
Because that's what's going to be what's sustainable in your business, what's sustaining your business. So just to backtrack, just a little background. The reason why we're called the Kind Kitchen is because we always give back to beneficiaries, to organizations.
oh, that's nice.
So ever since we started in the pandemic, so 5 years now
Yeah.
the business, we would give back to different organizations like education, there's children, animals, etc.
Hi everyone, my name is Aza and I'm the General Manager of Parent Method. Parent Method is a nutritional coaching and food education practice. So we believe in transforming your health through the healing power of food. So we don't really deal with weight loss. Kasi marami na yun, it's a dime a dozen. And the reality is when you crash diet, when you eat very little, you lose weight.
Learn from others also. Hopefully you would learn from me as well. Okay? Sige, I'll start now. So basically, I'm Murphy. So I'm the creative director and co-founder of Atom Studios. So
Oh,
we're the-
hi! We always go to Atom Studios.
Oh, wow! Hello!
In Alaba? QC. Hey, so nandito na ako sa may ramen wave sa may Capitolio kasi dito kami magdi-dinner. Magkita kami ni na Edina, ni na Rowena at wala pa sila. Akala ko nga mahuhuli ako eh. Anyway, syempre ramen wave na naman ang favorite ang favorite ng bayan. Ano bang orderin? Siyempre, alam ko naman ako na ordering ko. Ang aking yokai ramen and menchi katsu. Yeah. Let's eat pancit. Yun lang ang aking orderin. Padating na din yung husband ko. But anyway, sobrang saya ng event na to, nung sa Leading Ladies. Ang dami ko nakilala. And ang problema ko lang dito, minsan wala akong follow-up sa mga nakikilala ko. So, kailangan, starting Monday, mag-reach out ako sa lahat ng nakilala ko and I would say, hey, do you need me? Ganon. Ayun lang. I just wanna say also thank you to Miss Kat and Miss Rach. Another amazing event. Grabe pasabog ng end of 2025. I'm very excited for your events for 2026. Sobrang haba nitong vlog na to. It's only a weekend vlog, but I think it's going to be a long one. But I hope you enjoy and I hope you learn something. Siguro bukas pag uwi ko, I'll have mga talking points in between each of the speakers na nakilala namin. And I'll also explain kung paano yung naging setup. Gawin ko na yun bukas or pag nasa bahay na kasi I just wanna enjoy this weekend. Join us for dinner.
Excited ako talaga sa'yo, Edina. Grabe, ang tagal ko na talaga yung, paano kaya ang feeling pag si Edina na yung may may plus one! May plus one! Wait, mag-swatch. Swatch tayo! Red
Oo, ano match tayo dyan?
Christmas,
Take
red
rate
na
din.
red.
Ay, hindi siya red. Ano siya? Mauve.
Okay. Ay, makinig ako sa ganon.
Yes. Perfect for any skin tone. May ano siya, may parang glitter, gano'n. Oh my God. I love it. Kasi ang lungkot niya tingnan nung wala siya sa likod. Ay, ang ganda. Diba? Parang totoo nung dress na talaga siya.
Mahirap. Ang meron kasi doon, ganyan. Sabi ko, hindi po need namin nung mga wala pa kaming kulay. So, ang mga available na kulay nila na wala pa dyan, yan yung.
Ito na. Okay, perfect. Ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda.
Oh shit, yeah.
Diba?
Ang ganda.
Mas maganda siya pag dire-diretso
Oo.
yung bilog, diba? Oo. Tapos naka-sandals lang ako. Ganda.
Kasi yun nga,
Gorgeous.
hindi siya yung ganito.
Okay lang, kasi hindi naman na siya makapag.
Itatry mo na ang lips choke.
Ay, oo nga, hindi binubuksan ko na.
Tapos yung
Tingnan.
pencil, ayun, oh. Di ba mas maganda
Ay, oo,
dire-diretso?
kesa nung una.
Kung wala,
Oo.
Yes.
parang Shein.
Ganda
Ayun,
sis.
Zina.
Paano nga ba? So mag-heels ka ba?
Hindi, naka-flats lang ako. Okay, yun.
Thank you so much, my sister. You're the very best among the rest of the
Namimiss ko na tuloy si Ang.
Ay, bubuksan ko yung AC para wala.
Ayaw ko magpaano.
Ayaw mo pa bukas.
Kasi very fit. Ay, ang cute! Perfect lang pang labas. Ay, ang ganda ng applicator.
Yes.
Ito yung gusto ko eh. Yung sikat ngayon na type ng applicator. Ay, thank you! May lip liner! Yes! Alam mo tong pangarap ko tong magbili ngayong buwan. Naririnig mo yung ano ko, Mia? Mga hinaing ko. Nakita mo yung mga add to cart ko siguro.
Sabi ko parang
Mukhang kailangan to ni Rowena daw. Oh my God! Yes, hindi na ako bibili. Nakatipid. Thank you. Yes, finally. Hindi na bibili. Kasi nahihirapan din ako magpili ng...
grabe naman yung antena ng wifi nila, tingnan mo.
54! Dami!
Finally!
Very cute! Di ba? Sabi talaga ang payat. Dito tayo ah.
Okay.
palabas.
Kakapasok nyo lang eh.
Sabi, noisy? Noisy kayo.
I bought cake, but let's just put it
Yan.
happy birthday to you.
Alam mo ba, sabi ni Mia, oh yan, pang birthday mo yan. Sabi ko, for everyone.
Yeah, that's what they
Oh, Merry Christmas! Yes! Ano wala ka pa sila? Ano wala ka pa niyan?
Alam niyo yung ganda.
Matchy tayo. Matchy tayong
Walang lipstick sa mga baby. Yes! Oo, wala kayong lipstick ha?
Bakit meron mo rin?
Baka naman magtamo kayo. Baka magtamo kayo.
But muna, but
Can
I see our muna, ate?
Oo, oo, ayun. Doon. Napagod ka sa biyahe.
Yes.
Traffic, no? Kailan ka babalik? Mamaya na lang. Dami tanong eh.
Ah, thank you.
Oh, happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Narinig ko tuloy siguro. Baka minessage mo parang
Parang, dapat maramdaman mo to.
cutesy. Wala kasing nitis ko to. Eh, bako. Oh, happy
Thanksgiving pala.
Oo nga, sabi ko sa'yo pang bro.
Wait lang, hiramin ko nga tusukin ko lang.
Pulang pa si Grindel sa akin. Sorry, sister.
Oo nga, kasi kasalukuyan ka namin pinapanood nun sa examination.
Ay, si Maridolge pala parang hindi dadating eh.
Ay, may party.
Kasama si Father Luke.
Ay,
Ah,
wala
wala
na.
na.
Wala na yan.
Wala na yan.
Oo,
Basta
tawagan
hindi talo tayo kay ano.
Wala.
Father Luke.
Sabi mo si Papa na naman. Siya rin.
Pinili mo na naman yan.
Ala. Grabe ka, Maridol!
Dito, punta ko dito.
Wala. Kasama na niya si Noelge.
Pinagpalit na.
Ay, pala niya tayo.
Hi, Misha! Sobra naman tong nipis!
Ang nipis
Di ba grabe?
Yung eh!
Kaya nga, sexy!
Gain weight pa daw siya naging.
Oo, ano naman?
Parang uwi ka na nga.
I-choke kita dyan.
Ichow-chow!
Hindi, mas payat ka ngayon kaysa nung nakita kita.
Ah, really?
Oo!
Or baka
Kami
dahil
nakakita
pagod
sa'yo,
ako.
huwag kang mag-desisyon.
Pero hindi ka dry.
Yes.
Alin yung back.
Hindi ka dry.
Hindi ka dry.
Very
Alin yung
super
back ngayon
fresh.
dali na. Hindi ko kaya sabi niya. Check pa mo.
Proud ko. Hindi na lang yun kasi yung fitness mo.
Ang pababa ka.
So this is me.
Tayo lang din ang nasa table.
Sa atin pa lang kulang na tong space. O, mabilisan sila dito actually.
Mapait ka naman. Huwag ka naman gano'n. Mainit yung ulo.
Tonight yung reception. Oh, ito, good. Oh, happy birthday.
Birthday na lahat.
Dahil
Hindi
na
tayo
tayo
makapag-over
makapag-over
eh. Birthday, hindi nag-celebrate.
How are you, Rita? Grabe. Tyla. Ganda, no? Oo, eh. Alam mo ba, yung free upgrade ng seat ko, saya ko doon. From upper box. Una kasi walang
for
tao.
you.
Wow, thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, pero Christmas.
Happy birthday.
Multi-purpose yan. Basta ko, oh, lalo pala ako.
Merry Christmas. Yes.
Wait lang yung wine by the left.
Yun sa bar.
Oo nga, si Kobe Paris nga
At
doon.
ito pa, the table beside us si Kailin.
Oh my God, Lex!
Ano nung pumunta? So, but Kailin is at the, sa baba nga baby. So, pero kami, wala kami table, nandun na kami beside. Like, oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Ganda
Ganda
na
siya.
Super, very
Ah,
small.
Ah.
Tapos, nung COVID Paris was like, nasa stage na nga baby, which is where Tyla is. Pumunta, wala si Kailin.
Siguro nakita niya.
Hindi kasi parang ewan si Kobe. So, nagpunta si Kobe. Ito na si Kailin. Nasa Malaya.
Anong agenda niyo today? Magmamalling ta.
Sama natin.
Go for it. Grabe ang mga friends ko for the work pa rin, even on a Sunday.
Work hard, play hard.
Yeah. Itong isang friend ko na to.
Oy, don't talk about me like that. Alam, di lang understand.
Yun!
That is true, that is true.
Lumalandi. Happy Sunday, everyone.
Happy Sunday.
Ito kami for the bonding. Ano naghahanap ka lang? Ano naghahanap ka lang?
Hotel.
Content?
Hotel.
Hotel para saan?
May Maginhawa Food Fest next weekend, Saturday.
Saan?
November 13. Diyan sa UP Diliman. Nag-friends ko, parang yung ko umuwi. So,
Di dito.
Pero tayo eh. Wow, UP.
Well, kasi paglabas naman dito, Katipunan na yan eh. Pero marami sa
Marami dun
sa Katipunan na mismo eh, no? Correct. Hello?
It's your phone.
Ano ba to? Ba't ka tawag na
Sino yan?
tawag? Di kita kilala. Chat.
Ay,
Hindi. Ewan ko yun dyan sa ba't siya tawag.
The back asking you.
ayan, iba-vlog ko kayo or sasama ko ngayon kayo dito sa Fernandina 88 sa Cubao. Kasi maganda yung rooms nila dito, tsaka malaki and mura lang. Magkano tong room natin, Chris? 5 something? 4.7, no? 4.7 siya, tas 3 bedroom na siya. Actually, maliit pa nga to. Ito yung kitchen. Pagpasok mo, ayan yung kitchen. Tapos, you have your dining. And then your sala. And then may terrace na din siya dito sa labas. Ayan, with a view of Cubao. May TV. And then, ito yung isang bedroom. 2 tao. Pwede palagyan ng isang kutsyon. And then, ito yung door palabas. Ito extra bedroom. Actually, di ba? Pero hindi, parang storage room. Ayan siya. Tapos, ito yung CR. Actually, malaki lang yung CR nila. Ayan. Diba? And then, are you dressed?
I'm decent.
I'm decent. Ayan. Sister.
I'm decent.
Ito ngayon yung isa pang bedroom. Ayan siya. Good for 2. Actually, mas masikip to yata compared to isa. Dito, decent din kayo.
Yeah.
Okay. Ito yung master's bedroom. Ayan. Tapos may banyo dito. Pero si Ali ata nasa banyo. So, ayun. Yun ang Fernandina. Yun ang Fernandina 88 Suites. May ref din sila. Tapos, para siyang condo talaga. Condotel. Meron, di ba, meron kaming isa last time na 3 bedrooms. Pero mas malaki. Compared to this one. Sobrang luwag. So, ayan. So, if nasa Manila kayo at gusto
Scared
nyo...
talaga ako ng height.
Ah, talaga?
Lang ako.
Scared na. Ayan, kung gusto nyo magstay dito sa Manila at nasa Cubao kayo, thank you so much, my dear. Tapos gitna pa yung Cubao, everywhere, nasa bus station and all. So you can, sa Fernandina. Fernandina maka naman. Ayun lang. Happy Sunday. Here
Tapos,
kami.
hindi mo pwedeng, hindi siya nag-move. Yung mga files na papunta sa Google Drive kasi, move mo doon, didelete mo na sa phone mo.
Yes.
Yung Apple hindi pwede.
Hindi.
Pag didelete mo, wala siya.
Mawawala din siya. So, lumpia, yes. Ay, thank you. Ay, yan. Extra mo yung pala. kayo sa Facebook. Hindi naman yung phone mo. Pinter mo kasi. Talagang ginawa mo yun. Ay, may guys. Ano ba? Ay, iwan ko mo pala yun. Sorry, ano ba yung matok? Ang dami kong video sa guys. For this. Ay, alam mo yun? Waste of time and effort. I would. Kasi ba sa ako? Bakit? Tsaka buwan. Yes.
Lapot pa yan.
Okay, well, that was a fun weekend. Nasa bahay na tayo. And what will I do? Or what am I? Yeah, what will I do? Now na nakauwi na. Naglilinis lang ulit ng office. Okay. So, now na nakauwi na ako, ang gagawin ko ngayon is maglilinis lang ng kalat dito sa office. Tapos, ako ay gagawa ng content for a brand partnership. Kailangan na ma-submit yun tonight. Ang bibilis din na pala ng mga deadline nila. Pero, brand partnerships. Here's to sana more brand partnerships in 2026. And then, after nito, after editing that video, mag-edit din ako ng vlog. Kasi punong-puno na tong vlog na to. So, habang nag-edit ako ng video, I will just ikukwenta ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga natutunan ko during the Leading Ladies event. Yeah. So, linis muna ako. This is now my favorite corner of my office, of my little office. My lounge chair na nabili ko online. I will flash it here and link it in the caption or in the description. But yeah. So, habang nagla-lounge tayo here, let's open some gifts that we received from our little Christmas party. And gifts we received from our little Christmas party with the Frannies. So this one I received from Rowena. Kay AJ pala to. Wait lang. AJ, I'll give this to you when I see you next week. This one I got from Rowena. What ganyan? Ayan. So this one I got from Rowena and Ali. Tapos nga natin bukunin. Yan. Um, ang cute nung nilalagyan nila. Alam ko nabili din nila to online. Hanapin ko na lang, tapos i-link natin dyan. And then, meron tayong card. Papaiyakin na naman ako ni Rowena tsaka ni Ali nito eh. Nakakaloka eh. Sabi na nga ba eh. Enjoy the extra warmth and sweetness you totally deserve, my sister. Just a little something to help you unwind on weekends. And if you and Kuya Ariel are... I hope this adds a warm little sparks. Love, Rowena and Ali. I love it, guys. Thank you so much. Yan, si Rowena and Ali, ang aking favorite couple friend. And candles, yan. Oh, diba? This is Bath and Body Works In the Stars na candle. Ang ganda. Mahilig tayo sa candles. As you can see, meron tayong, ayan, makikita niyo dyan sa taas. Meron tayong, ayan, parang mga altar ng mga altar talaga. Ayan, mga candles ko, mga scents, mga incense. Aayusin ko yan kasi I'm gonna turn this into a really nice reading, chill, relaxing nook. But, ang bango. This is Chanel Signature Perfume. Perfumi. Tama ba? Yun ba yung amoy niya? White Barn. Hindi ko alam kung alin na. Pero ang bango. I love candles. I love scents. So, aanihin natin yan. Isasama natin yan sa collection natin. And then, ayan. And then, sisindihan natin yan one of these days. Ayan ang ating mga collection of candles. I love it. Oh. Okay. And then, ang yung card ko, let us put it here. Tapos, we have a wedding invitation. So, may wedding. Lagi akong kinikilig dito. Pag anything that says Mr. and Mrs. Ariel Juan, I'm so kilig. But this is the wedding of our friends this weekend. Si Peter and Jap, finally. Ayan. So, we are guests. Kaso, sa ano na ako makakahabol? Reception na ako makakahabol kasi may meeting kami. Very important company meeting sa NLA. And then, we also got this from Graytel. Thank you, Graytel, my dear. Oh, you know me well. I love the sea and sandstone. Bath and Body Works din ata to eh. White Barn. O pareho pa sila ng diba? Bath and Body Works din siya. Tingnan natin. Masyado ko nasinghot. Bango. Love it. Ayan, so meron tayong bagong hand sanitizer. Okay na yan. I have to check on my books. Baka inaamag na itong mga to. Anyway. And then, may binili lang din ako kanina from Marks and Spencer's. Masarap kasi ng chocolates ng Marks and Spencer's. So, nakita ko kanina sa SM. This is the Swiss M&S Food Swiss Chocolatier. Ayan. Yung kanilang milk chocolate. 165 lang yun. Kaya bilhin ko. Ayun lang naman. Okay, AJ, bibigay ko na lang. Yan, mama yun. And then, magagamit ko pa to as pouch. Thank you. Yun lang. So, now, I need to... Sinacharge ko pa yung phone ko. Mag-edit na lang muna ako ng vlog. Habang sinacharge ko din to DJ.